Hey guys, good morning. Rami here. Alright, what I'm showing you right now is an area that needs a lot of maintenance for now for Deleafing. Okay, fortunately, we're very busy planting the remaining seedlings, Lakatan seedlings. It's about 4,000. Manpower got was shortened, so there was no. We're delayed by 2 weeks cycle for Deleafing. Right, so that's what we're gonna be doing right now. Okay, so for deleafing, guys, first let's check the tools that we need. Is actually you need to have a deleafing knife. Okay, we have different deleafing knife, the one with bamboo poles already for higher leaves, and the hand knife, which is just for at about 6 feet bananas. All right, and also what I have here is a disinfectant. You have to have that one. All right, and also grinding stone bairan. Okay, because it needs to be very sharp at this area here. All right. Okay, so how do we deleaf? um there are so many style of deleafing, but what we're practicing here in the farm is that the person deleafing should check the leaves. All right, usually like this, it's more than 90% already of the leaf is infected with Sigatoka. But we do manicure style or selective style of deleafing here in the farm. All right, so we're just gonna carefully remove. All right, and we check which, let's just call this a stalk, which has already a Sigatoka inside. So at here, so this is where we cut. All right. Okay, so we did not cut the whole leaf branch here, but just the part of it. All right, for example, this one is still okay, but if you can see, there's already Sigatoka at the tip, the side. Usually it starts with the tip and the sides going to the center. So what we're gonna do is just do selective. Okay, okay, so we're not gonna be cutting everything there, but just mostly on the outside. So that's why you have to have a very sharp deleafing knife. Okay, so I'm just cleaning out the infected leaves, right? So that's what we're gonna do, and while I'm doing deleafing, I'm also doing the sheathing. Okay, sounds ugly though, but that's the term we use here. All right, this is the sheath of the banana. Okay, this is where the pests gonna be living, worms, ants there. So from time to time you have to remove this one. You have to clean those out. All right, just grab, and if it's not gonna be removed easily, you can also use your deleafing knife there. Okay, all right, so you have to have at least one cycle for every month or 2 months for the sheathing. Okay, before you do spraying. So why deleafing is very important, guys, because before applying your fungicide spray, make sure you have done your cycle for deleafing already. Okay, this is going to be useless if we have to finish this one today, so that we, because today's Saturday, Sunday is our schedule for this area for spraying every Sunday. All right, so we need to work double time till we finish this one, or else we're gonna move the spraying date until we are done with the area. Okay, because Sigatoka is actually, it's a live fungi. So it moves from its aerial, the infection is aerial. It moves to one leaf to another. Okay, but if you're going to be removing them, putting them on the ground, there's a little chance for them to attach themselves on the other leaves, but just on the weeds. That's why you have to keep your weeds down so that it will not be blown away and attached to the good leaves of your bananas. All right, so that's the maintenance you have to do. It's normal for every week you have to trim your leaves there. Okay, just like that. That's okay. So what we're trying to do is, this is banana, guys. The whole trunk of the banana is it's a large leaf itself. So photosynthesis is its process in feeding itself as well. Wow. So if you're gonna be taking down the whole leaf, good leaf, even though it's just 50%, you cut it from here, then that 50% could have served the plant in helping converting the sun and everything into food for itself. All right, so again, this is just our process. This process could not be applicable in other farms, but this is what we're practicing. Okay, as long as this part is still alive, we're not gonna cut it down. We're gonna cut it down when it turns to yellow or it's already wilting like this one. All right. Okay, so that's our maintenance for deleafing and the sheathing. Okay, the sheath sounds ugly. All right, there you go. So you, and also we do ring weeding every month. All right, even though there are weeds around, we have to do that one. Okay, wow, they already know how to de-sheet my bananas here. All right, thanks for helping, guys. All right, so there's a lot. There's 2,000 more here. The bananas, because this is just around 5 months old, this area. The bananas which are 7 months old on the other side, it needs a pole, bamboo pole, and deleafing knife for the maintenance. So we're gonna be asking help from the other guys, labor, to do that one for us. All right, so again, precaution with your deleafing knife. It's very sharp. Make sure you wear gloves if you are working with it, left and right, and then keep it away from you. All right, always do like that. Okay, and don't swing it if there are people around you. So take precautions, be careful always, because that's very sharp as a blade. Okay, so that's about it. Comment below if you have any suggestions or questions that I can answer. And if you find this video informative, please do subscribe and click on that notification bell. Okay, because I'm gonna be uploading a lot of videos right now. Actually, I'm not gonna be jumping from bagging and harvesting. I want to guide you step by step. This is 5 months old maintenance here. All right, so the new farmers or the beginners will also be doing this one together with me. Okay, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me for about 8 minutes. Take care, you guys. Bye.